Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will help you in removing superpdfconvert.com. Superpdfconvert. This is a browser hijacker that attacks several browsers today, and mainly it attacks Google Chrome and possibly some other browsers that are based on the Chromium open source project. Now, you need to be very careful whenever this hijacker has first attacked your computer, because it actually changes your important browser settings. For example, you start submitting some search queries and you notice that the results are delivered by Yahoo search. You might be the customer of Google search, but no matter what search queries you actually submit, you notice that the results are delivered by Yahoo search. So please be very careful and watch how to get rid of this hijacker from your browser. The problem is most likely in some unwanted program that may be in place. So check your available applications first of all and delete the items that look suspicious. Also, you need to carefully examine your extensions. Go to More Tools, choose Extensions in your browser, and delete any suspicious extensions that may be in place. Finally, I recommend checking your Mac additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com, so download the software, install it and start scanning your computer with it. Click on Start Combo Scan button. This will begin the research of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is the trial version or the premium version, the program will perform free scanning anyway, even with its trial mode. And the good thing about the trial mode of Combo Cleaner is that it lets you find the location of each specific thread. So when you are in the antivirus section, click on Review Results to see the detailed results and the location of each thread. So let's say that we have this very first thread identified. What we could do is to move the mouse next to it, and there will be a special button Show in Finder. So now we will find this malicious program in Finder, and we may right-click on it and move it to the trash. In the same manner you may do with other infected items. Click on Show in Finder, then you will be able to see that specific thread in Finder and to remove it manually. Or of course you may perform the removal automatically with the premium version of the program.